Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So everything you see in this cart at Walgreens, I got for completely free and made $10.50. Let me show you how I did it. So the first deal I grabbed is this Crest toothpaste deal, and this is out of the world. You need to make sure you go grab this if you don't grab anything else. So what you want to do is go grab 3 of the Crest toothpaste. Now, there is an Ibotta rebate that goes with this, so I recommend that you go ahead and scan into Ibotta just to make sure that they do work with the rebate. But you want to grab 3 of them that are regularly priced $4.99 but are now on sale for $4 each. That's going to take you to $12. There is a 5 off 3 digital coupon that you need to make sure you have loaded, and out of pocket you will pay $7. But Walgreens is giving you a $6 register reward when you spend $12 on Crest products. Then you're going to take your receipt and you're going to submit it to Ibotta. Ibotta has a rebate for 2 back on 1, and it's a limit of 5 times. So we're going to get $6 back there. And on top of it, we're going to hit a bonus for getting 3 toothpaste or 2 toothpaste, I believe is the bonus, and you're going to get 50 extra cents. So that makes all 3 toothpaste completely free and a $5.50 moneymaker. While we're in the dental hygiene aisle, we're going to go ahead and do the next deal, which happens to be a Colgate deal. So we're going to grab 1 of the 360 toothbrush. Now you could also grab the Optic White toothpaste if you prefer. The toothbrush is regularly priced $5.99, but it is on sale this week for $4.50. And then you also want to grab 1 of the Total toothpaste. Now, my store was out of the cheaper $4.50 toothpaste that would work on this deal, so I had to move up to the $5.50 toothpaste. It is regularly priced $6.29, but again, on sale for $5.50. If you happen to find the $4.50, you're going to do that and get an extra dollar or make this completely free. We have 2 coupons that you want to make sure are loaded. There's a 3 off 1. It is for either the toothbrush or the Optic White toothpaste. And there is also a 2 off 1 for the Total toothpaste. So out of pocket will be either $5 for me or possibly $4 for you. And we have a register reward that we're going to get back from Walgreens for $4. So in my case, it did cost $1 total or 50 cents each, or it might be completely free for you if you got the $4.50 toothpaste. The last deal we're going to do today at Walgreens is the Dove shampoo and conditioner. Now, these are regularly priced $4.99, but we do have a sale price of $4 each. Now, make sure you have this 2 off 1 digital coupon loaded, and your out of pocket for both of them is going to be $6. But it gets sweeter because you're going to get a $5 register reward when you purchase this, and that's going to leave the final cost $1 total or 50 cents each. All right, let's talk final cost now. So everything you see in this cart here ended up being a huge moneymaker, and partially because I had a 7 back on 25 spend booster. You should have some sort of spend booster in your digital account, so check and see what you happen to have. So after grabbing 3 Crest toothpaste for $12, 2 of the Dove shampoo and conditioners for $8, and 1 Colgate Total toothpaste for $5.50, and 1 Colgate 360 toothbrush for $4.50, my total came to $30. So obviously I hit the threshold for the spend 25 booster. $12 in coupons is going to come off. Just a quick reminder, we have the 5 off 3 from Crest, the 2 off 1 from Dove, and the 2 off 1 and 3 off 1 for the Colgates. So out of pocket is going to be $18 and whatever tax you may have to pay. But you're going to get a $5 register reward back for the Dove, a $4 register reward back for the Colgate, and a $6 register reward back for the Crest. So now we are down to just $3. Take off that spend booster of $7, and now we're down to completely free and a $4 Moneymaker. Then you're going to take your receipt and you're going to submit it to Ibotta. You'll get $6 back for the Crest plus a 50-cent bonus. So now, after everything is said and done, you're going to get everything for completely free and make $10.50. This is the way you shop at Walgreens. Let me know in the comments if you happen to do any of these deals. Have a wonderful week and make sure you're subscribed so you can see all of the awesome deals that I do here.